Good evening, good evening, good evening. I wanted to come in and show you what I'm doing to my hair tonight. Now, what I'm going to do with it in the morning, I don't know yet. Let's just deal with tonight. So I've been putting these braids in my hair. Wanted you to see. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have 2 more that I'm going to do. I am going to part it right here. And each time it's pretty easy to part. I'm not worried about whether I am exactly straight or not. But I saw someone else braiding their hair like this for a braid out. But I think the front of my hair will remain this way in the morning all day tomorrow. And then, well, that is if I am pleased with the way it looks, because I'm going to tie it down and hopefully the braids look a little bit flatter tomorrow morning. But I am going to braid these 2, and I think I am going to put a couple of plaits in the back tonight as well, for probably braided in the front and loose in the back. But I wanted you to see what I'm working with and what I might end up with for a hairstyle tomorrow and a couple of days afterwards. So this is what I have right now. And I could take these braids. And you know, I have my trusty goodie clip near me all the time. And so I could do that for tomorrow morning's hairstyle. I could do that. I could wear this. But we'll see where we go with this. I'm going to put a few plaits in the back, and you'll see me tomorrow morning. I decided to come back and let you see how my hair looks before I go to bed. So I am letting you see this, and this may be how I wear my hair tomorrow. Because I think I kind of like it. My hair is out of my face. It looks like a style. I'm going to go ahead and tie it up tonight. Yeah, and hopefully the front looks somewhat sleek tomorrow morning. You know, before I go to bed, since I've been plaiting this part back here and it's kind of damp, I'm just going to damp this front part. Since I don't do edge control, I'm just going to rub this down a little bit. And it's been a long time since I just took a scarf like this and tied my hair. I think I look like a pirate. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yes, I did have to change my scarf. That scarf was too slippery and it was not going to stay on. So I put on another one of my lock socks. And now I'm changing my earrings because if I am going to have flat hair, I believe I need to have on some different earrings. And let you see what my hair looks like. And I'm going to wear my hair like this today because you know what? I do not have time to take this out. My edges did lay down pretty well with that lock socks. I think though that I am going to find out something a little brighter for my lips. And believe you me, I am ready for work. I think I'm going to wear this hairstyle for a few days. I will do another braid out. There is someone on YouTube that I saw that braided their hair like this. And I'm going to put their name right in here. I don't remember the name. I think that as soon as I saw that, the way they braided their hair, I subscribed to that channel. And I've not watched enough of her videos right now to remember her name. I will put her name right here in this video. Because I don't want you to think that I invented this all by myself. But I did it all by myself. Don't let anything spoil your day. Let your day be like a quilt, a patch quilt. There might be a tear in it. You see that tear, you repair it. You don't throw away the whole quilt because of one patch. Do not let one incident completely destroy your day. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. And I especially love God because he's been so good to me. Yes, he has. He's been so good to me. Have a great day. Have a great day.